Namaste people, this is me Bhavna. Welcome to my channel Pavra Day. So for this week I thought I would come up with something really innovative. So it is something like do it yourself, DIY. So I thought, okay, we'll do something useful.
I want people to know that on DIYs that I do, I will be using the things that you're going to put into waste, or you think it's not useful, but I make use of all the waste and I come up with something innovative. So today, things that I'm going to use for this DIY is going to be really surprising. Do you think it's tissue papers? No, it's...
Yes, this is the inner tissue on which the tissue papers are rolled. So this is the waste.
This is something that we're really going to use, and I've taken 3 of them and you see why 3, okay?
Anything that we think is waste and we throw is something that I'm going to use for the base of this. And yes, that is this.
So this is from something like your boxes that you throw. So your cartons. These are the 2 main items for this DIY, main ones that we use from the waste. And
so the next few items are the glue, knife, and after knife, the last one that we need is a gift wrapper. I'll give you a lot of information on how to replace it with anything that you already have at home. So we'll see
information later. And for now, the last item that we need is the gift wrapper.
So we are all set, and now we'll see how to get it done. Let's get in. So first of all, we'll see for which measurements we need to cut them, okay?
The one roll of it can be used for pens, the other one for knives, for scissors, and the other one for markers, or, highlighters or whatever. We'll see them. So we'll measure and we'll cut half of it or 3/4 of it for pen. I think this is good enough. So yeah, I've marked it for pen. And for scissors, just do a small mark. And for your markers, yeah. Okay.
The marking is done, and now we'll cut them.
Yeah, how is that? This is the company finishing and this is my finishing. So I know it's not perfect, but you can make it. You can't make it perfect, I'm sure. Just cut it off with a scissor. And yeah, good to go. I think it almost looks perfect.
That's it. So this is it, and we'll do the next one.
This is done. Oh, this is superb. It's really come out good. The cutting is really good. The cutting is really good, this one. Yeah. Okay. Now we are done. So now we have used just this much part of this one and we'll make a base. Okay.
So before that, let's just
wrap this with the gift paper, with this gift paper. So for people who don't have gift paper, you can just use white sheets. I'm sure you'll have white sheets at home, or you'll have any color papers at home. Or
okay, you don't need color papers, but still if you have white paper,
you can just wrap the white paper around it and you can make paints. You'll have paints, you'll have colors at home. At least you'll have sketch pens. So you'll have markers, so you'll have pens, you'll have something at home. So you can put white paper and you can do something, you can write something. So these are the easy ways that you can make it look beautiful. But for now, if you have gift wrappers, then I think it will look pretty. So we'll use gift wrapper for now. So let's start.
பையமா வெத்தல மட்டையம்மா சுமந்த கையம்மா மத்தல மொட்டையம்மா தாயம்மா தாயம்மா என்ன
So now I've cut it and I've left, so if you can see me, there is a space between the cardboard, and I mean I've cut it a bit up because I can fold it inside and the edges looks beautiful when you fold them inside. So before that, now let's paste it. Let it dry.
Yeah.
Oh god. Oh my god.
As you've all seen, I've prepared the 3 sections, and now for the base, like I've already cut the cardboard like this one. You can actually place them, cut them into the shape like you want. Like you can cut them into the shape of these rolls, or you can just leave them like that and use this place to place any other things like the cute ones. Like I'll show you at the end of the video how I place them. Before that, I will roll them. I'll roll the extra papers inside and give them a finishing touch. Okay, we'll see that. See, that's all. It's done. So the same way for the other 2. If you feel it's too much, you can cut them off. Okay, I feel that it is too much, so I'm cutting off. Okay, not completely. Now I have this much left, so this is easy. The same way for this. I feel this is really too much, so I'm just cutting it off. I have these done, so
We'll paste it down. So before that, you can also cover this
with anything that you want. Like you can wrap it with white paper or color paper, or again a same gift wrapper, you can do that. But just to keep it a little symbolic, I know I've used these rolls from the tissue paper. I'm going to use tissue paper to cover it off. So I'll cover it with tissue paper and I'll place these on that. Okay, so we'll do it. Use glue here and just paste it like this. I'm not going to use glue for the complete tissue paper, okay?
have it done. Let's put these ones on this. Okay, just paste them again. Just paste them now. Okay, I'll just leave it like that for some time. Okay, so let them just dry. So just give them a little press now and then, and it should be done. So we have left it to dry. Now we'll see if it's done, and we'll see how to organize it. Starting with pens.
So I'm taking, so yeah, all my pens gone in this. And now you can place your scissors, and if you have something, a screwdriver, markers, and your glue sticks or your fairy sticks, okay, all can go into this section. Okay, so yeah, you can also place a few stuffs here and you can make it look more beautiful, and I'll show you how. Let's see. My wire protectors, I've not used them at all. I place them all here and we'll see how it looks. So if you also have any small idol, you can also place your idols here. See?
People, this is my DIY for today. So I wish everyone, you people watching it, have loved it, and yes, I'm very sure your dear ones are going to love it if you give it to them.
First of all, it's handmade. You put in a lot of efforts, you put in your time, you put in a lot of love, and you do it. So I'm sure the one you're going to give it is going to love it and try it. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and
also don't forget to click the bell icon next to it.
Like this video and comment on what you loved in this video.
Give me some tips on what I can improve on, and share this video.
Yes, let's make use of the waste things and make it more prettier than it is, and we'll try to contribute a little to our mother earth in not wasting a lot of things and not putting a lot of garbage. So yes, come on guys, subscribe to my channel, like this video.
Thank you for watching this video, you people, and yes, this is it. Namaste.